wabarakatuh. My name is Luciana Ramadaning Tias.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Pramyogi Yudas Maputra.
Okay, today we will discuss about the best and most efficient way to learn word beat about a baker, the internet, your friend, or trial and error. And I want to hear your opinion about that. Start from Lucy, please tell your opinion about that.
Okay, I will give my opinion about being creative and innovative in make a bread. I think to make a bread there are some ways, but the best way, in my opinion, the best way to make a bread is we can ask to a baker because why I said like that because a baker I think a baker has a lot of experience about how to make bread, and I think from their knowledge we can learn and make a best bread as we can by following her recipe. I think that's enough about my opinion for how to make a bread in the best way.
And then, how about you, Pram? What your opinion about the best and most efficient way to learn how to make a bread?
I have a same opinion from Luciana, but I add some information. What is it? Baker is a more experience, as we know. To sometimes it make if baker make a bread, we learn from him or her, and sometimes we don't know how to make it what kind of flour or what temperature to baking a bread, and also how to make mix our ingredients to make a bread. That's a weakness from if we learning from experienced baker.
Okay, and my opinion is different from you. I think the best and most efficient way to learn making bread is look on internet because now many website or site that upload thousand recipe of making bread, and not only website or Google, we can learn from watching video from YouTube, and I think it is very easy for beginners like me, and we know which steps should take first when making bread, and it is my opinion.
Uh, I have
Okay.
I Lucy,
Yes,
do you first.
from
Uh,
okay. Okay, I sorry, Nurisma, but I don't agree with you because I think yes, uh, that's right. Maybe we can search in the internet for beginners like us, but I think that is not helpful for us because if we searching in the internet to make a bread, it is same. It is the same meaning that we will what is that? We will don't we don't know how the result after we make a bread from searching for searching the recipe in the internet because if searching in the internet we only look how to make a bread but still don't know how the result of it like that. But if we try to ask to a baker, maybe we will get a better result because over there beside we asking about the recipe, the best recipe, we can also learn how much we can give the ingredients of the bread, so we can get a nice bread later when after we make a bread.
Hmm. I have me sometimes if if I searching making bread in searching in internet, sometimes fail and sometimes are successful. Most of them fail. You don't know what temperature to make a bread, uh, what uh, what ingredients are to make a bread, and also make what is it like equipment like stove or oven, something like that. You don't know if you have it. If you have it, the most important
Oh,
is okay. That's it.
okay. I think uh, it is um efficient. My opinion, yeah. My opinion. Uh, I not I not, disagree with your opinion because I think we can now from uh, website or we searching in internet we know the ingredient or step and the tools have we need to making the bread and for example we can search in uh, video on YouTube kan that we know we know the video how to make a bread like that. And I think alone with the baker is not efficient because we cannot earn with baker every day. And yeah, like course beside that we must uh, pay for the baker to teach our and usually for only a few months like that.
Uh,
Yes, that's right. What you say is right. Uh, Maybe because now in this era, in this modern era, we can search all what we need in the internet. Not only that, now all everything we need we can continue search it in the internet. But I think if in the internet that make yes that's true, that's easier for us because we can continue search the ingredients, the recipe in the on the internet without asking to the baker. But I, w- I think I worry about the result because not all our taste is the same what is what is sell in in the internet. Uh, for example, if we're looking for a recipe about how to make bread, maybe we can search it in the internet and we can try to make it by following the ingredients in the internet, but we don't know how the result of that recipe 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 because we can after we follow all the recipe in the internet, maybe the bread is the taste of the bread not suitable with what we want like that. Sometimes like something like that, I think.
Uh, but we can find many recipe, thousand recipe in internet. So even we fail to making a bread, we can try uh, another recipe, a different recipe, and we can search another recipe in internet. I think like that.
Uh,
Always try, and try, right?
Yes.
but
Yes.
but it depends what equipment you have. But like a stove, you have a stove? May I asking you? You have a stove or oven to
Yes.
make
Yes.
Yes,
bread?
yes,
Yes.
Yes.
of
Yeah. Uh, it's okay. Uh, that's it. That's all.
Okay. If now in this area, many application in uh, we cell phone, so we can learn more by cell phone. So uh, we can save time. So and uh, we don't need to come the course or the baker's home.
yes. I agree with you because uh, we know that all of the best chef, best baker maybe has their own website in the internet, so we can learn it from the internet. So if in our in our in our in our country maybe there is no a baker, we can search in the internet by following the website about who is the best baker or another what is that, or another
Um,
recipe we can find in the internet, sometimes like that.
And I think learn from internet it has many benefit. We can where is it? Save times, and we don't need to come to course or baker's home, and uh, we can we can learn whenever we want. So we can search whenever we want. Like weekend or sometimes like uh, we want to learn more about how make to a bread, and we can search many recipe, uh, not only making a bread from internet. I think like that.
Yes, that's right.
mm,
After I think again, I agree with your opinion, Risma. How about you, Pram?
I agree with Nurisma, but as long as you follow the instruction from internet, your result will good. That's it.
And
Okay, so in concluding, all
and
of us
agree
agree that
that
the best way to make a bread is searching in the internet, right?
yes,
Right,
yes.
yeah.
And more important, searching in internet is more cheaper, and we don't need to uh, apa, pay the baker like that. Is
Yes,
that
that's
all?
right. Yes, we don't
Yeah, yeah.
need to pay it.
You're right.
We
I
we
agree with
only
you.
need a little from our quota.
Yes.
Sometimes. It
So,
depends on what quota is. Okay.
so the conclude we can conclude this our discuss that he chose the best and most efficient to learn making a bread is searching in internet. From
Searching in the
internet.
internet.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yes, that's right.
that's fine.
Okay, I think enough to our discussion. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.